Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe. I'm Arun Kumar. In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick information about Tokyo and Osaka. Where to live, either Tokyo or Osaka. But before going to the topic, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now let us come to the topic. Yes, as you know that capital city of Japan is Tokyo. Yes, Tokyo is one the biggest capital city of the biggest city, and it is also well rushed city in Japan, and Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. As you know that most of the students will be preferring to study in Japan also because the quality of education in Japan is also too high. But the main doubt is where to get settled on which city. As you know that Japan is the country which is well developed, and each and every corner of the Japan is not only well developed but also it consists of many fields, and farming is also occurring in Japan. It is not that Japan consists of two phases. As Japan is well developed, at the same time farming is also occurring in Japan. Yes, there are many villages in Japan where we can watch fields, and farming is still going on in Japan. And let's come to Osaka. Do you know that Osaka is one of the biggest, finest, and well developed city in Japan also? So most of the students will be preferring to study in capital city, as we know that it is the capital city. So most of the people will be staying in capital city, and it is full of rush. But if you wanted to live in the same well developed city where the rush is little bit less while comparing to capital city, and the city is Osaka. Yes, Osaka is one of the well developed and rich city in Japan, and it is not the capital city of Japan, but it is also one of the good well developed city. For example, in India, Delhi is the capital city of India, but Mumbai is the city which is known to be famous in all over the world because Mumbai is income capital and whole movie industry is in Mumbai. In such a same way, as we know that Tokyo is the capital city of Japan, but it is not mandatory that Tokyo is only developed city, but there are many cities in Japan which are well developed, like which are equal to Tokyo. For example, Osaka is one of the finest city which is well developed like Tokyo also. So the students those who wanted to settle in a city like Tokyo and Osaka is the finest city to settle while comparing to Tokyo, because Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. So most of the people will be rushing into the capital city. It is common in every country. Most of the people will be rushing into Tokyo, so it is best opportunity to settle in the well developed city like Osaka. Osaka is also well developed city like Tokyo. As you know that Olympics are also going to occur in Tokyo, so most of the people will be visiting Tokyo city in 2021. Yes, 2021, in within few months. It is in July month. Let us see does Olympics occurs or not, because due to this pandemic there are many doubts that they will be postponing or they will be conducting Olympics with audience or without audience, and that decision is in suspense. Let us see, let us watch in future. But Osaka and Tokyo are well developed cities. It is not that Tokyo is well developed. It doesn't mean that Tokyo is well developed than Osaka. Both are well developed cities. So the students are the person those who wanted to settle in a city where there is little bit less rush. It is Osaka, because Tokyo is capital city of Japan. So it is better to settle in Osaka because there is less rush while comparing to Tokyo. But all these cities are well developed in Japan, and there is also farming land in Japan also. Yes, most of the people are still farming in Japan also. At the same time, Japan also consists of well developed infrastructure, well developed roads and bullet trains, and their currencies Japanese yens. As you know that Japan is one of the richest and one of the finest country all over the world, and this passport of Japan is one of the strongest passport in the world. Yes, as you know that Canada passport is strongest, Germany passport is strongest. At the same time, Japan passport is also one of the strongest passport in all over the world. So I hope you gain a little bit knowledge in this video. Please be connecting with me. I will be uploading more and more videos regarding the South Asian affairs, Indian affairs, and international affairs. So pandemic is not yet completed. Must stay safe, stay home, and must take care. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Please be connected with me. Stay safe, stay home. I hope you gain little bit knowledge about Tokyo and Osaka. Tokyo and Osaka are well developed cities in Japan. It doesn't mean that Tokyo is well developed while compared to Osaka. But Osaka and Tokyo both are the cities which are well developed, equally developed. So it depends upon person to person. It depends upon mindset of a person. If you wanted to live in a city where there is more rush, then you can live in Tokyo. But if the person also wanted to live in well developed city where there is little bit less rush while compared to capital city, you can choose Osaka. I hope you gain a little bit knowledge about Tokyo and Osaka, and I will be uploading more videos regarding many cities. So please be connected with me, like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, pandemic is not yet complete, as you know that prevention is better than cure. So stay safe, stay home. Jai Hind.